today. Again, sleepy. Are you sleepy? I love you. How's that nice? Let me do some filming. Shall we see what's in our HyggeBox? Yeah! Hi everyone, welcome back to Leila Land. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you're having the best day ever. And if not, I hope I can cheer you up a little bit over the next few minutes. Right, today I am super excited. I need to stop clapping. I burnt my finger really badly a week ago and I've literally got no skin under here at all. It's disgusting, it looks disgusting, it feels awful. But I can't clap with glee, and if you know me, you know how much I love a good happy clap. So you might have to all do it for me. Can you help and do it for me? Thanks, that'd be great. So I've had a couple of boxes sat downstairs in the cupboard, hiding from his nibs over here for about a week, and I haven't opened them because I wanted to open them with you guys. So I hope you realise how much I love you by doing that, because one of them is the HyggeBox! Yeah! Oh, sorry, Gabby and Sally, sorry. I really did want to open it, but I know how much you love hearing me squeal when I open it on camera, so I've waited. Soz. Okay, first things first, this wrapping is giving me 70s caravan curtain realness. And I'll be honest, I like that. Also, the box shape has changed. Have we noticed this? It's become a bit longer and slimmer as opposed to short and chunky, which is just my goal, to be honest. As opposed to short and chunky. Right, shall we just crack on and see what's in here, because I'm really excited. Right, look, see, I haven't even peeked. Oh, I thought my nails were going to come through for me then. Oh! Oh, we have the thing, and we have the thing. I'm loving the red. Right, colour. Colour plays an important role at this time of year. Spring is a time for new beginnings, and April is a wonderful showcase of how nature embraces that. Take a moment to view nature. Our gardens and parks are coming alive with colour. Yellows of daffodils, purples, pinks and reds of crocuses. Even our birds have molted and show signs of newer, brighter feathers. Lots of colours, vibrancy, spring. Important to grab colour where possible, embrace what matters the most and discard the rest. Yes. We have curated a box this month to help you add colour to your lives, create a more colourful atmosphere around you, and embrace the idea that Hygge is not just the white stuff. Well then! I don't know if you've noticed Mother likes a little bit of colour around these ear parts. Just for a change, I think I'm going to really like this box. Do you still do the thing where you're packing the boxes and you think Layla's going to like this one? Oh my god, it's spicy chocolate! Do you know what Leonard likes more than chocolate? He likes ripping up paper. Look at his face. Watch. How can you not love this dog? He's so adorable. Right, what's in this here box? Right. Love the little wrapping. Right, so I'm assuming these are tea bags, which I don't drink tea, but I do donate these to my mum. So, mummy dearest, you are getting Tailors of Harrogate. Harrogate is just up the road from us, so that's nice to see a local company being used. And this is Sweet Rhubarb. And look how cute that pink packaging is. That's gorgeous. I like that. My hair is actually going this colour tomorrow, so cross your fingers that all works. What else? I'm trying so hard to leave the chocolate for last. Stuff it. Should we just get stuck in? Oh, have we had one of these before? Was this the one he ate? Do you remember the video that I made where Leonard had basically opened my HyggeBox and stolen a bar of chocolate from it, which I didn't even know that there was a bar of chocolate meant to be in there until I read the little note to say what was in the box, and I was like, oh, we've got no chocolate. But this feels like similar packaging, but I believe that was more of a, was it a licorice chocolate? I'll have to dig through the archives and find out. So this one is by Chocofair, and it's rhubarb milk chocolate. I have never had rhubarb milk chocolate. So in the interests, ladies, gentlemen, and all variations in between, I think in the interests of research, and your ears just pricked up, have they? And you know, really immersing myself in the experience of this box to give you the information that you need. I think for you, I should have a piece and let you know how it tastes. For you, obviously. I mean, the chocolate is beautiful. I'm not sure I can taste rhubarb in it though. The chocolate is super creamy and really smooth and really nice. But yeah, the rhubarb is so subtle. I'll just have the rest of that piece and see if I can find it. There's a little bit really subtle, which I like. Ooh, I like that. Thanks, girls. That's yummy. Okay. Hello. Hello. How lucky am I? Just how lucky am I? I really love my dog. I do. I really love you. Right, I don't know what else to go. Oh, fairy lights! The first ever HyggeBox I got, we got some little micro fairy lights and they're actually downstairs. Oh, and they're pink! Yes! Sorry everyone. Headphone warning. Sorry. I don't know if you've noticed, but I quite like pink. I've cut myself again. Does anybody else have really dry, sensitive skin and your skin just opens at random intervals? Yes! Pink fairy light! I mean, whatever. Yeah, that's nice. Oh, who am I kidding? We all know I'm an idiot by now. Oh, I can't wait! It's the string of Lights for Fun, I believe is the company. Yeah, Lights, number 4, Fun. And they are on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram and Pinterest, and I presume their website as well. Alexa. These can be used outdoor, indoor, they are battery powered, and little LEDs. Oh yeah. These would actually be so good for blog pictures. Go and follow my blog. If you're not already, go and follow my blog. There's a link on my YouTube page. There's always a link down below, so go and find it in the description box. Go and follow the blog and keep an eye out for these appearing in some nice little blog shots. I like that. Right, I don't know which to pick next. Right, let's do this. What is this? Oh, is it going to be like a little wall hanging or what am I missing? Let's get the thing. Oh God. Let's get the thing. Oh, this is cool. Cool? And cool. Right, so colourful fabric, which it is, and I've just found where I'm bleeding from. So I don't want to kind of bleed all over it. So we've got this beautiful fabric. It's super soft as well. It's really nice. Which has got toucans and lovely leaf prints on it, which is beautiful. And this is why I wanted to see what they'd written on it, because I didn't know if it was like to go in a frame on the wall, which would be really cool, or a cushion cover, or there didn't seem to be anything obvious, but this is why. So it says here, this month is a perfect time of making plans and starting projects. So we've added some gorgeous fabric designed and made in Derbyshire, where HyggeBox HQ is. It's vibrant and filled up with a little bit of joy. You can use this fabric to make all sorts of lovely things, either for yourself or make something for somebody you love. It's a great fabric for covering notebooks, creating a cushion, simply adding to a frame for some extra colour on your desk, or even recovering a notice recovering a notice board. What a great idea. And it also says, we are running a competition this month. Make something wonderful and tag us in the photo on social media. We will choose the best creation and that person wins a Hygge survival kit worth £20. So get your thinking caps on. And I am actually going to throw this over to you. What do you think I should do with this? So it's literally just a square of fabric with toucans on it. What do you think we should do with this? Let's make something to use in Leila Land, whether we, I don't know, make a cushion that goes in the background, or what do you want me to do with this? What do you want me to do with this? And I will choose the suggestion that I think is the best, or the one I can actually do. And we will use that one. And if we do win a £20 Hygge survival kit, I will do a little giveaway for you. So yeah, what do you think? Let me know in the comments. Right, we've got 2 items left and I don't know which one to go for. What do you think? Should we do this one? Okay. This one has a sticker on it that says handmade with love. What is that? Another handmade with love. What have you been making? Is it a bath bomb? Oh, that smells gorgeous. That smells like really citrusy, but not overpoweringly so. Like it's not been, well, obviously it's not been full of chemicals because it's been handmade. Right, let me just see what the crack is with this. Homemade calendula bergamot bath bomb. Oh, this is so cute. So you guys have been busy beavering away, making us all little bath bombs. Oh God, it smells gorgeous. And apparently, bergamot and calendula is really good for dry skin as well. So, like, I'm sat here, literally, my skin is opening up and I'm literally bleeding all over the place because my skin is so dry and dehydrated. And what do I pull out the box? Something that's good for dry, damaged skin. So thanks, girls. That will come in very handy. Right, last one. What is this? It's very, the colours are very 90s colour block, I'm getting. I've seen me a Sass and Belle sticker. We all know she loves a bit of Sass and Belle. Oh, what's this? Oh, it's a little tinket. No, it's a little trinket tray. Oh, and it says on it, you are awesome. Does it? Yes, you are awesome. Ah, you're awesome. No. You're awesome. Ah, I love these. These are so cute and brilliant to have next to the bed. You can put your earrings, your watch, your ring, or whatever of a night time, and just put your little bits of trinkets in there. I think these are also really, really good to put like next to the cooker, just to put your wooden spoons or whatever on utensils on whilst you're cooking. Then you're not getting blobs of food all over your nice clean work surface. But yeah, this will be going next to the bed. Oh, that's sad. Where do I sleep? This will be going next to my head whilst I sleep to put my little bits and bobs in. Oh, what a cute one as well. You're awesome. So that was it for the March, I think. I'm now so far into April, I don't know where I'm up to with subscription boxes. HyggeBox, I hope you liked it. This month was dedicated to colour and helping to bring a bit more colour and vibrancy into our lives as we come out of winter, hopefully into spring soon. Please. Even this winter chick is craving a little bit of sun now. I mean, it's been a while, hasn't it? Been a while. So yeah, let me know what you thought. Do you have this box as well? Have you used any of the products? Let me know what you think in the comments down below. I always forget to say this because I'm not very much of a kind of YouTuber in the sense of I don't have codes for everywhere. I do have a couple of discount codes for a couple of places, but it's only things that I really, really love. I'm not the kind of person that will just whack out the discount codes and enthuse about products without it coming from a really, really genuine place. So because I love HyggeBox and I've been a fan of HyggeBox since the beginning, and because you lot all love HyggeBox as well, and these videos that I do, which I'm very, very super appreciative of, I do have a discount code. So if you want to go and get yourself a HyggeBox, you can use the code HyggeLeila10 and that will get you 10% off a box. Go and try it. Go and see what it's all about. Read up on Hygge. Go and Google the Hygge Manifesto and just see what Hygge is all about. And it's much more than fairy lights and scented candles. It really is a lifestyle, and it really is a way of helping you to appreciate every single moment in your life, and that in itself promotes an increased well-being. So I mean, what's not to love? So I hope that you've enjoyed this video. I hope you're enjoying my channel. If you have, please go and give me a big thumbs up down there. Make sure you're subscribed if you haven't already. I am so appreciative of everybody that subscribed to this channel. Thank you so very much. You all make my days amazing by your comments, by subscribing, by your views. Come and find me on social media as well. I love chatting with you all over on social media. I'm on Instagram and I'm on Twitter, and I do have a page on Facebook as well, and we have lovely little communities chattering away on there, so do come and join in, and I will see you next time. Bye.